Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best circuit testers for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the TE-KCO Plus Automotive Circuit Tester. This tool is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, making it an excellent choice for anyone who's just starting out in automotive diagnostics. One of its standout features is the adjustable 7-inch supple probe, which allows you to reach into tight and hard-to-access areas with ease. The transmitter and receiver LEDs make it simple to identify short and open circuits, saving you time during troubleshooting. Build quality on the TE-KCO Plus is solid, with a durable plastic construction that holds up well to regular use. However, the tool feels a bit lightweight at just 12.3 ounces, which might not inspire confidence for heavy-duty applications. It's powered by a 9-volt battery, not included, and while the design is user-friendly, the lack of additional advanced features may limit its appeal to professional mechanics. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who occasionally works on car wiring, this is a reliable and affordable option. However, keep in mind that it lacks some of the advanced functionality seen in higher-ranked products on this list. Pros include its easy-to-use design and adjustable probe, while the cons are its lack of included batteries and limited versatility for professionals. At number 4, we have the Automotive Multifunctional Car Circuit Tester. This device is ideal for those who need an all-in-one diagnostic tool for automotive electrical systems. The standout feature here is its multifunctionality, which includes testing continuity, tracing short circuits, and identifying ground faults. The blue LCD screen offers a clear and accurate voltage readout, which is particularly helpful for precise diagnostics. The Automotive is built with convenience in mind, featuring a 14.7-foot extension cord that provides plenty of reach for testing throughout the vehicle. Additionally, the unit includes a built-in flashlight, making it easy to work in low-light conditions. Its sturdy construction and included accessories, like work gloves and electrical tape, make it a great value for money. However, it's worth noting that this tester is not designed for use in power environments exceeding 36 volts, which limits its versatility slightly. This tool is best suited for DIYers and semi-professional mechanics who want a reliable and versatile device. The long extension cord and user-friendly design make it easy to use, while the built-in safety features, like overload protection, add peace of mind. Pros include its multifunctionality and durable design, while its limited voltage range and slightly bulky size are minor drawbacks. Coming in at number 3 is the ITEK Power Circuit Probe Tester, a versatile tool designed for diagnosing 6V to 24V automotive electrical systems. This tester excels in identifying polarity and testing continuity, making it a valuable addition to your automotive toolkit. The LED indicator lights are intuitive, turning red for positive polarity and green for negative, and the buzzer adds an auditory confirmation for test results. The ITEK is built to last, with a durable construction and a generous 157-inch test cable that covers even large vehicles with ease. It also features overload protection, which automatically disconnects the circuit if the current exceeds 7A, preventing damage to both the tester and the vehicle. However, while the tool is great for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it doesn't include a digital display, which might be a downside for those who prefer precise voltage readouts. This product is ideal for professionals who need a reliable and robust tool for daily use, as well as for advanced DIYers. The long test cable and overload protection enhance its usability, while the lack of a digital display could be a deal breaker for some. Pros include its wide application range and safety features, while the cons are the absence of a digital voltage display and its higher price point.
At number 2, we have the Winamoo Automotive Test Light.
This tool is a great choice for users who need precise voltage readings, thanks to its bright LED digital display, which offers 0.1 volt resolution. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from testing car batteries to diagnosing issues in 3-volt to 48-volt systems, making it a versatile option for mechanics and DIYers alike. The Winamoo features a sharp stainless steel probe that easily pierces insulation, and the 96-inch spring wire enhances flexibility during testing. The dual-color polarity indicator is another highlight, with red for positive and green for negative. The tool's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the anti-lost protective sleeve adds durability and convenience. However, since it's corded electric, it lacks the mobility of battery-powered options. This tester is perfect for those who value precision and versatility. Its clear digital display and extensive voltage range make it a standout choice, though the need for a power source might not suit everyone. Pros include its detailed voltage readout and robust construction, while cons are its corded design and slightly higher weight compared to other testers. Finally, at number 1, we have the CM Tool Power Circuit Probe Tester, the ultimate tool for automotive electrical diagnostics. This tester offers a comprehensive feature set, including polarity identification, continuity testing, and component activation, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. The LED indicators and buzzer prompts provide clear and immediate feedback, while the overload protection feature ensures safe operation by tripping the circuit breaker if the current exceeds 7A. The CM tool is built with high-quality ABS material, offering excellent durability and resistance to moisture and high temperatures. Its 4-meter test lead provides ample reach, allowing you to test the entire vehicle with ease. The ground test functionality is especially useful for quickly verifying the quality of connections. While it doesn't include a digital display, its combination of features and robust build quality make it a top pick for automotive diagnostics. This tester is ideal for professionals who demand a reliable and well-rounded tool for daily use, as well as serious DIYers tackling complex electrical issues. The combination of advanced features, safety mechanisms, and durable design make it unbeatable in its category. Pros include its comprehensive functionality and robust build, while the lack of a digital display is a minor drawback. Overall, it's a fantastic value for its capabilities. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.